feel like I'm in Disneyland.
Phone and I am asking very little of you.
I mean, they do this on the Walt Disney.
On the Cinderella's castle, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's an obelisk.
That's cool. Well, of course it's an obelisk.
Yeah, it's my favorite. We're going on a trip to our favorite obelisk.
No, not here.
Going across the mall, Washington.
That doesn't even rhyme.
Oh, what was the one? I did have one that rhymed. Going on a trip.
Listen.
Favorite obelisk to the national monument. Oh, the stars are moving. Drag and drop? What? Is that how they built it?
Yep, piece by piece.
No, I mean like on the actual launch site.
Well, they put it all together in-house, and then they put it on the crawler, and then it went to the pad.
That's what I thought, they put it on the crawler. What's that little piece that they just put on?
The ring that separates the Lemon Command module from the third stage. There's the command module, the cap for the top, and the launch support system.
Yep. We're almost at T-1.
And then the door opens up.
Door.
Because it was put together inside.
Oh! I forgot. It was like,
now it's on the crawler.
it's like one of the tallest buildings ever made for industrial use.
Crawler goes out. Oh,
This is awesome. Yes. And the fact that that's a national monument right now. Trying to get a good angle. We're at 30 seconds. Okay, at 20 we count. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
You made someone laugh. Good job. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's still it's gonna go up into space, isn't it?
Are they gonna show stage separation?
I bet they are. They're showing altitude numbers.
Nice. Top of the rocket's starting to get a little dark. They're gonna show separation! There's the sonic boom.
We still got altitude going. Now they're showing live footage of people looking up. Or live from that point. I bet they're about to do separation.
Yep, that's separation.
They're zooming out.
No, because that's all you could see from the ground.
30 miles high. That thing is absolutely massive.
Nice.
Woo! Screw Russia.
And there goes the abort system.
There's no going back. Unless you're Apollo 13.
Funny. Second stage. Why?
They're getting a much better, cleaner picture than I am.
It's a pretty good camera.
It just mine's picking up all the lights in the background. Eh.
Look at the screen.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Does it show its path?
Yep.
I think the video's alongside that, so it's not one or the other, it's both. Oh, look at the screen.
They skipped forward like 3 days.
We're almost there.
They're gonna have the landing itself too.
Yeah, I hope I have enough phone storage.
I started taking a new video. They've got the footage of the astronauts on Columbia.
Columbia.
That's cool. I'm good too. That's just awesome.
Ignore the thing flying in the background. Aliens have invaded the space launch. I wonder if Trump's sitting at the White House watching this.
Probably.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you?
Yeah, why not? There's the moon. There's the lightning on the moon.
It's a projection.
Oh, they're honing in the lights, which your phone can't see. Oh, look at that. Hope it picks up the audio.
Look at that.
Trying to. Is this actual footage?
No.
Joke.
That's actual footage.
Remain illuminated while the dark side and the shadow will become completely black.
Oh, they're about to go on the backside of the moon.
They only call it that just because you get no communication.
I didn't say the dark side, I said the backside.
Good.
The backside is relative to the moon's position to Earth.
I'm glad that you know. I would be disappointed if you did not.
I know it rotates and orbits.
It is now July 20, the day scheduled for lunar landing.
Oh, we got the drop. Who's the guy in the LEM?
You mean the CSM?
Yeah, that's what I
Michael
meant.
Collins.
Remember Michael Collins. He didn't land.
He was alone for almost a whole day.
Wow. I know I couldn't do that.
Look at that. They've
Whoa.
got the map of the moon. Never mind, look back.
Altitude will go high.
Look back at the monument.
Houston, you're looking at another building.
We got projected altitude.
12, that was one of the alarms that was going off.
Which was?
I forget.
Yeah, they have to keep rebooting the computer during landing.
At 75 feet, there's looking good, down a half.
50 feet off. 40.
Half down. Face down.
20 feet.
Forward to the right. Contact light. Okay, engine stop.
And landing.
Woo! Wait, they're gonna say it, they're gonna say it.
How did they do that thing with the sky?
Wait, this was faked, right? No.
Listen.
Engine reporting coming open at 109 hours, 8
The fact that the Washington Monument is our projector screen.
At the foot of the lamp. The lamp footpaths are only
So it's about midnight.
depressed at the surface about 1 or 2 inches.
Oh, wait. Isn't that what it's about to be right now? Almost? No. We're a few hours off.
It's 8:57.
Hey, I see a footprint. Here it is. Giant leap for mankind.
That's about 11 o'clock. Or
Yeah.
no, 10.
One small step for 8 man.
We got the early bird showing. Oh yeah, 1970. Can't forget that one.
Yeah, because they're showing footage of the next landing.
Yep, well the obelisk too. And 71.
That's the one that had the rover.
Well, the thing is, we missed all that footage. Okay. 72. We can find that online later. $73. Skylab. '90s.
They're jumping through all of the achievements since then.
I see ISS 2000. Still in continued service. If this is an ad for a remake of Apollo 13. space face. Oh, we're getting a landing.
Splashdown.
Because we also brought them home. Don't forget that.
Yeah.
That's the hardest part. The big old orange and white umbrellas. Did I say umbrellas? I meant parachutes. Woo!
And splashdown.
Sky's the limit.
And we'll go a little farther, right?
Yeah, a little bit farther than space. If it shows a picture of Mars after that. Oh, I like how the lights just converge.
And when they show the Saturn V again, then you know it, or when the lights go.